Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we are down in another crawl space that we just finished here in Ocean View, Delaware. So let's take you guys around here, show you what we did and how it turned out. Let's do it right now. Okay, so the first thing I want to point out is that we have our workhorse, the April Air 1850. Down here in this crawl space, this is going to suck all the moisture out of the air. It's going to put it, turn it from a vapor back into a liquid. It's going to turn around, put it in the condensate pump over there that's self-cleaning. And that's going to take that outside and make sure that the relative humidity stays well below 60%. It's going to be about 45% roughly. In here at all given times, and that will make sure that the mold stays away. Did a complete mold remediation in here, and then we put a drainage system all the way around the perimeter throughout here, and that is our contained drain system that has a DOT approved geotextile, allows 145 gallons per minute through the fabric. There will never be that much water in here, but if it ever tried to get to that bad, it could handle it, and that will keep the soil from migrating to the stone and the stone from migrating into the soil. And once we can do our contained drain system, then you will never have to worry about any maintenance on the actual drainage itself. Sub pumps you should always have maintained annually. So we'll just look back here. Check that out. Another beautiful job by our guys at HydroHero. Show you what we're looking like over here. So we have our HydroSeal vapor barrier on the walls, on the columns, on the ground. We have everything sealed up really nice. All this was completely a mess when we started. So we've got the HVAC lines run well, and we'll also come through here, and there's our sub pump we got. That'll pump all that water from the drain system up and out of here. So if you would like to have your crawl space encapsulated, please call the professionals at HydroHero at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Thanks so much for watching.